when the aliens invaded our planet for weed.
Bro, get me some weed, bleh.
Yeah, me say Jamaica have the best weed.
Then go to Jamaica to get me some weed, bleh.
When me done with Jamaica, the ganja left down here. Yeah. Yes, boss, a weed a bad. A Jamaica we have to invade. Jamaica have the best weed. I want to name the Bob Marley.
Invade Jamaica and bring me back the whole of them ganja, bleh.
Give me the whole of the weed.
Ras, alien there Jamaica take with the whole of the weed. Alien? Whole of the weed? Yes, Ras, the whole of the weed. The whole of the weed! Blood clot weed! I want the whole of them alien, they're dead! How are they? With the how that?
Hey alien boy, come here!
Blood clean, the rest are serious about the weed. The mind will can grow some more, man.
You think I say you just a come take our blood clot weed?
Bomba tongue, the rest are serious about the weed. Blood clot.
You know hear the eye say pull over and give back the eye the weed.
Yo, watch people like on the sidewalk, you.
Wanna move from off of the sidewalk before the eye kill on the blood clot.
The rest are not play.
Glass to blood clot. Come in here, you have to kill off the whole of them alien boy. Rasta jump! I wanna do a jump. Say better boss up your blood. Watch it, Ras, watch it, watch it. Big store, big store!
Yeah, bad boy. Me a carve you now, boy. Me a carve you. Me a carve you. Me a carve blood.
Bomba, will you kill me, Ras friend?
This little blood clot of him. Bad to what you say.
Ras, we have to bring out the janitor. The alien them a kill out the bubble them. Bring out the janitor.
Ras, me a big ass place, bleh.
Aliens vs. Predator coming this summer on bootleg DVD and VCR bootleg cassette. Sabah!